Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Connecting a printer to your laptop is straightforward, starting with power and supplies. Plug the printer's power cord into an outlet and load fresh paper. Now, use a standard USB cable, typically Type B on the printer side and Type A on your laptop, to create a direct link. This physical connection ensures an immediate, reliable data transfer between your devices. Your laptop should recognize the connection promptly. For a wireless setup, it's crucial that both your printer and laptop are connected to the exact same Wi-Fi network. Access your printer's built-in control panel, navigate to the network settings, and select your home Wi-Fi. Enter the password when prompted. This process typically takes under 1 minute. Once connected, your printer will be discoverable on your local network, ready for your laptop to find it. Now on your laptop, press the Windows key and I simultaneously to quickly open your settings menu. From there, select Bluetooth and devices on the left-hand side, then click on Printers and Scanners. You'll see a button that says Add Device at the top. Click this button, and your laptop will begin searching for available printers on your network or via USB. This scan usually completes within 30 seconds. Once your laptop detects the printer, it will usually prompt you to install the necessary drivers automatically. For most printers manufactured after 2020, Windows includes generic drivers that work perfectly. If not, visit your printer manufacturer's official website, like HP, Com, or Canon, and download the latest drivers specific to your model. After installation, send a test page, perhaps an empty document, to confirm everything is working. If your printer isn't appearing or printing, start by simply restarting both your laptop and the printer. This can often resolve minor glitches. Double-check that your USB cable is securely plugged in at both ends, or for wireless connections, ensure your Wi-Fi password was entered correctly. Finally, in your Windows printers and scanner settings, there's a Run the Troubleshooter option that can diagnose and fix common problems automatically, typically in under 2 minutes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.